you're never gonna make it. You're not good enough, there's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back.
Pantang nengok kamera loh kau ya. Panas nih. Panas.
Apa
Dunia.
Kuci.
Beda apa ya bahannya?
Udah jatuh.
Nur, bahannya beda ya?
Hah?
Bahannya beda.
Beda pegang lah.
Hah?
Tebal.
Baru yang gitunya. Kayak apa? Tim duanya ya?
Face my fucking time. Face my fucking time.
I'ma break your neck.
Face my fucking time. Face my fucking time. Yeah, it's your boy Shits. Let's go. 2 a.m. sipping on some Hennessy. Cruising down Rodeo on my 2C. Spent a couple racks on some dope shit. I got them boys lit and that's just what it is. You wanna get inside, but you gotta know the price. I'm about to take what's mine. Face my fucking time.
I'ma break your neck.
What's mine? Face my fucking time. Face my fucking time.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will flow. We gotta move, wait till the time go. Lost in space, superhero vibes, so put your hands up if you wanna go. Close your eyes now and chase the sun. We gotta move, follow the tempo. Gotta take it ice, gotta let it go. There's 100 different ways how to spend up all your day. We're gonna make waves. Part of the new game. We're gonna make waves. Part of the new game. We're gonna make waves. We're gonna make waves. Put your hands up if you want more. We let the beat rock across the dance floor. We gotta move, where did the time go? Lost in space, superhero vibes, so put your hands up if you wanna go. Close your eyes now and chase the sun. We gotta move, follow the tempo. Gotta take it ice, we gotta let it go. There's 100 different ways how to spend up all your day. We're gonna make waves. Part of the new game. We're gonna make waves. Part of the new game. We're gonna make waves. We're gonna make waves. Nothing could have prepared me for the high stakes heartbreak that surrounds me. You want me, you won't let me go. So I burn slow. I can feel you coming like a wildfire. I'm just the fuel, baby, you're the light. If I'm not careful, you'll burn right through my soul. But
peace and stay on. I wait every day since I'm gone. Babe, the only thing that means saying, only thing regretting is losing you. I'd rather peace and stay on. I did it all not too wrong. But in every goddamn racing, I find a demon weak inside my mind. So baby, now we up. Yeah, we're making everything that we got. And every time we dizzy or drunk, as you come and say no more. Only Chiva. I'm gonna say sorry. Si prefieres llamarme cuando quieras just call me. Si me ves, que ya te está vibrando el móvil. Si te vas sin retorno, tú cambiaste el entorno. You know when I return now. What you want, what you need from me. No falta por decir, dice dímelo a mí. Yo no sé nada, what you need from me. Me lo voy a decir. Now let's say I'm about to blow up.
blunder. Blunder.
I wake up kicking myself.
Coba.
Exhale cause the hurt it helps. But same old way I felt, resting on my shoulders. Cold night in a sleepless bed. White eyes with a glaze of red. I'm going round and round. It won't
Cantik.
let me out. When I swim, I'm drowning in. I sing when I swim from the pressure in my.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you're feeling inside. Just gonna take you out of my mind. And I gotta wake up without my soul tomorrow. Try to confront every wall that you said. Even after you left, all the scuff turned out to become sorrow.
telepon dia. Ya, ini. Ya, jangan ambil telepon. Dan sih. Sembiring. Oh, sembiring.
9-0.
Xiaomi apa sembiring? Yang sembiring.
Jangan tahu.
Ada tadi yang sembiring sini. Sembiring ada. Sembiring.
nggak ada masalah ya, lebih bagus ya. Nanti kita cari waktunya, kita atur waktu jadwal. Saya tadi udah bicara dengan jadi momen pertama buat kita supaya kita bisa ada uji coba di luar Sumatera ya. Kita bisa bilang kita nggak ada lawan. Saya tadi bilang kita harus panen buat gol supaya orang Podi dengan orang Asprut tahu bahwa memang kita ada lawan, nggak ada lawan. Oke, saya pikir itu. Nanti masalah kepulangan, nanti yang mau turun di mana nanti kita sama-sama konfirmasi di mana kita mau turun. Dan khususnya di Medan. Apa ini karena nggak mungkin lagi keluar tol masuk tol lagi, nggak ada lagi. Kita kumpul di satu titik, lepas di situ baru kalian tinggal pulang masing-masing. Oke, yang dilangkat mungkin di sini. Kalau mau diantar ke rumah, kalau mau diantar ke rumah kasih makan kami, makan malam. Oke, saya pikir itu. Ada pertanyaan? Oke, satu lagi saya ingatkan. Saya orangnya suka bercanda juga, tapi saya orangnya gampang marah. Ya, jadi saya mau kalau di pertandingan saya mau kamu konsentrasi, nggak ada bercanda. Kita mau main kamu bercanda, nggak ada ketawa-ketawa. Nanti setelah itu mau ketawa, mau guling-guling, nggak ada masalah. Tapi saya tetap mau begitu pertandingan kita tetap harus fokus. Oke? Saya pikir itu. Apa? Tanggal kembali ke Medan.
Aduh, ke Medan.
Nanti di grup.
Baik-baik.
Dan saya mau nggak ada yang libur-libur lagi. Ya kalau memang nanti Rabu sore kita masuk, nanti kita tahu kalau Selasa pagi kita
Agak cepat nyebarin aja. Sampai Rabu udah ada tiket.
kapan kita mulai? Artinya ini Senin Lebaran Oke lah, Selasa kita kasih satu hari. Rabu kita udah masuk. Ya, artinya Rabu sore kita mulai latihan. Iya kawan. Ya Pak Haji? Ya, ya. Sepakat kita. Nggak ada alasan neneknya meninggal atau neneknya 40 hari. Nggak ada.
40 hari.
Oke? Ya. Ini untuk kita semua. Oke, Gong. Kita nanti libur lagi. Doa. Hei, saya mau nanti kamu latihan juga pakai ini.
Sakit. Merah.
Karena apa? Fungsinya kalian dibeli itu apa? Untuk apa? Bukan untuk pertandingan. Sama dengan sepatu baru bukan untuk pertandingan, itu baru kamu pakai, latihan juga kamu pakai. Buat kamu percaya diri. Kalau dibilang kayak kodo hijau nggak ada masalah. Oke, ya, yuk doa.
Sore teman-teman. Sore. Untuk mengakhiri kegiatan hari ini ada baiknya kita berdoa agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Selesai. Yo!
Kau berapa gol? Kau ada gol?
6. Awal 5.
Kau ada gol? Berapa skor tadi?
17.
Hah?
29-0.
Jangan gitu. Oke, mana mau?
Oh ya.